This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a bot token, intents, and a runtime. First, validate the token in a secure editor and confirm the server member's intent is toggled in the developer portal. This prevents missing join events. Next, make sure the bot has manage roles, send messages, and view channel permissions on the target server so welcome actions succeed. Finally, open your codebase and create a quick backup of config. JSON and role/channel ID. Once done, you can modify behavior safely. Once prerequisites are set, implement the join handler using guild member add. This is where you create a welcome embed or DM. Make sure to fetch the channel by ID instead of names, because names change. Also, use try/catch around sends and role assignments to catch permission errors and to avoid crashing the bot. Add a short delay before mass role operations to respect Discord rate limits. Finally, run the bot locally and invite a test account to observe the exact flow, making adjustments as needed. Deploy your updated bot to the host and ensure it auto-restarts with PM2 or systemd so downtime is brief. Verify the bot's role sits above any roles it assigns. This common oversight blocks role changes. Monitor logs closely for permission or HTTP errors. They reveal whether the token is invalid, intents are missing, or you're hitting rate limits. If something still fails, rerun the join test while tailing logs. Then adjust permission scopes or add retries with exponential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.